Let's take a look at this Flair super strong mechanical pencil. This mechanical pencil is unique because it comes with a scale on top of it, and you also get 10 free leads, which are worth 7 rupees. Again, this thing costs around 20 rupees or around 30 cents or so. It's a locally manufactured product. This is how it looks. It's a 0.5 mm mechanical pencil with a scale on side of it. It's a centimeter scale. It has a 10 centimeters length. But I don't know how you would mark your scale. I guess you could buy 2 of these. Again, it has an eraser. Quite unique, and works quite nice. It's made out of plastic. Quite nice. Check it out.